Welcome back. This is Dr. Saurav, and here I'm going to discuss the stages of the digital buying process. Now, the time has come when we will have to understand the various stages which industry, follows before making a particular product. So, when we say B2B, as we discussed, this is not a cup of tea of a single person. Rather, the decisions are being made in groups. Why decisions are made in group? Because there is an involvement of lots of money plus whatever you are purchasing in terms of raw material that you purchase in bulk. So decisions are very important, right? So to what extent you make decision, to what extent you share your decision, to what extent you ask people to give you suggestions, that is very important in this buying process. The second one, these groups are responsible for making the buying decision in companies, which is referred to as decision-making unit. So in the initial buying process, company makes a unit of people who makes a decision in terms of purchasing product. From where? What quantity? At what price? Who will be there? At what time the product should be available? What are the terms and conditions? Everything that DMU, the people comes under the DMU makes a decision. So now we come to the next part, this process, digital buying decision process. As you know, all the process, even we talk about the consumer decision making process or the industrial buying decision process, it starts with the problem recognition. What basically the problem is? Here the problem is what basically the consumer wants and how you are going to serve the consumer. To what extent, how speedily you are going to serve the consumer. With what innovative products you are going to serve your consumer. What different you are giving your customers to make them delighted. This is part of the problem recognition. So first, when you recognize the problem, then you start giving importance to basically the need. What could be the need of the product? If I want, I want to purchase mobile phone. Purchasing mobile phone is not a need. Rather, the first and foremost is purchasing mobile phone. As an industrial market, you will have to understand why customers should purchase mobile phone. So many features are already in mobile phone. What different features you are giving to the consumer, right? Even how hotkey features you are giving to the consumer in terms of mobile phone. First, that you will have to understand. Because problem understood is problem solved, half solved. So how you are going to make your difference in terms of competitors? You will have to understand the problem is. So once you will understand the problem, that will work as an inverted pyramid. You start understanding the problem in a broader way, and then you narrow down your approach. So once you have jot down the important parts, now you are full of important points. It is also true you cannot give all the things at one time, at one go. So you come with is basically this the need of the product? So when you come to the bottom of the part of the pyramid, there is basically need descriptions. And after understanding the problem in a broader way, and when you narrow down your approach, you will start understanding the need. Now you start taking what basically product company want. I'm going to fulfill the need of the consumer. But is satisfying product is a need, or satisfying giving product at a X price, that is a need. There are so many consumers who doesn't want any changes in the price listing, but they want, I should get more innovative products, and whatever be the price, I don't care. For example, iPhone. So what type of specification you are going to give product, that you will have to understand in advance. Then, of course, you are not responsible for making the raw material itself. So naturally, you will go for the supplier search. So many suppliers will come in your way. So now the next part is your proposals or suggestions. You are going to propose, right? You are going to tell the supplier. You're going to tell the supplier that you can submit your proposals. Now, since it is a big deal, so selecting a right supplier is very important for you. Even from supplier point of view, supplier also understands it's a big deal. So if I focus on only one big company, I can earn profit in. So supplier is also giving you proposal, right? In proposal, what you do? In a proposal, you ask suppliers to mention entire things. Entire thing means detail of your company, detail of your raw material or the product specifications, when your allocation of timing, pricing. It doesn't mean that some like there is a scarcity of product and there is a surge in demand, you are going to get monopoly in terms of pricing. No. Service, once I have given you money, you are not giving us product, or you have given us product, we are not giving you money on time. Again, everything you will have to mention in terms of the proposals, and it's a two-way proposals. A supplier gives proposal, at the same time you also convince your suppliers that everything will be based on give and take relations. Then you go for the supplier search. On the basis of the proposal, you select a supplier. And once you have selected supplier on the basis of the various terms and conditions, then you start giving order to your supplier. And you start checking. You start reviewing the performance of your supplier. So this is your industrial buying process. All the details I have mentioned in that, you just go through all the details, and you can find each and every part in details, right? Already I have mentioned you go through all this. Thank you so much